See Tuna Talk!
From the Pohnpei Girl Scouts in the FSM. How do we save tuna for the future?
Well, that is an excellent question. One of these days, you are going to be in charge of your country and its resources. For that, you'll need to understand the science. Things like, where do the tuna live? What do they eat? Where do they go to? And of course, the big question, how many of them are there in the vast Pacific Ocean? Fisheries managers in each country will need to work together and with scientists to figure out how much tuna we can catch today while still leaving enough baby tuna to grow into adults. But it's tricky, and that's why we need your help. We need more Pacific Island kids like yourselves to get involved in fishery science so that in the future it'll be you standing here answering the questions and not us.
We can protect tuna for future generations by ensuring the right amount, size, and species is caught legally. Some of the ways we do this includes monitoring, that is the use of vessel monitoring system to monitor activities of all fishing vessels. Control, where fishing vessels are issued with license and license conditions to abide by, and surveillance, the use of aircraft and patrol boats to check for illegal vessels activities. Pacific people who work as fishery observers can save tuna for the future by collecting scientific information to assist in stock assessment. This job involves recording the amount and type of tuna species caught and where they are caught. This work forms an important part of our ongoing efforts to protect tuna resources in the region.
How do scientists name tuna?
So tuna are like the same like human names. So they have a nickname, that is the common name. For example, for yellowfin, the common name is yellowfin. And the family name is like your real name in your passport. So for yellowfin is Tunus albacaris. So this name is coming from a French scientist that his name was Bonater.
What does tuna eat?
So tunas feed on what is available in their environment, which means their prey can be very diverse. It can include, for example, animals like squids, shrimps, or other fishes. The size of the prey increases with the size of the tunas, but they often be quite small. Roughly, they measure from 1 to 15 centimeters. So these small organisms that are likely to end up as a tuna snack, they are cutely called Micronesia. So they might eat organisms like flying fishes, juvenile reef fishes, but also very cool deep sea creatures.
How does climate change affect tuna?
So the way that climate change will affect tuna is mostly through a change in water temperature. So tuna might look for another preferred habitat, which means that the species distribution, so this is where we actually find tuna, is going to change. So some Pacific countries might have more fishing opportunities, while others might have less fish to catch. Another way that climate change might affect tuna is also reproduction success. So fish larvae might survive less because of ocean acidification.